Hi, I'm Callum Morrissey, Welsh Youth Parliament member for Clwyd West. I have a quick question. Did you know that in Wales you can vote from 16? And yes, you can actually vote. Not a mock one, but a real one. And with the Senedd elections coming up, that means your voice matters. So why does this election matter? The Senedd makes decisions that affects us right now, not just in the future and not just when we're older. Things like education and exams, mental health support, public transport, climate change and housing and jobs. All of that is decided here in Wales by the Senedd. So when people say politics doesn't affect young people, that's simply not true. And look, voting isn't about being an expert. You don't need to know everything, nor do you need to even agree with your family or friends. Voting is just about saying, this is what matters to me. If you're not voting, you're missing out on an opportunity to do something empowering. Loads of people don't vote, especially younger people. But elections in Wales can be decided by really small numbers. So yes, one vote really can make that difference. Let's talk real numbers for a second, because they do actually matter. When 16 and 17-year-olds got the vote in the Senedd election, less than half of us were registered to vote. Around 30,000 people signed up out of all of those who could have. And that's way fewer than other groups. Most older age groups on the roll are around 90% registered or more. And even in different parts of Wales, it varied a lot. In places like Swansea, only around 1 in 3 16 to 17-year-olds were registered, while other areas were higher. So here's the thing. It's not that young people don't want a voice. It's that a lot of us weren't signed up in the first place. That means a huge chunk of us could easily be left out of shaping things, like our schools, transport, or mental health support. This is one of the first chances to get to shape the country that you're growing up in. It's about having a say, it's about being heard, and it's about showing up when young people care, because we do. So if you're 16 or over, this Senedd election is your moment. Register, learn about the different parties, turn up, and most importantly, vote. Because Wales is our future, and this is how we help shape it. Because your vote matters, and your voice matters.